Welcome to Creation Channel. Today we will be doing sock puppets. I know, like, I don't usually do things like this, but I just kind of felt like doing it. And yesterday was my birthday! And I got a cold. Yeah, that's my watch I got for my birthday. Awesome. Yeah, we kind of just found the sock puppet thing in the cupboard back there. And I made two. That's my Cyclops bunny. Yeah, I know. And that's just a random guy. Oh, his tongue fell off. There we are. Okay. So, we have this sock here. We've got two big googly eyes. Got some felt. Some pom-poms. And one big pom-pom. And then some PVA glue. And obviously some scissors to cut the felt. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to stick these on like around there. Yeah, so we've also got the radio on, so it's not just silence. And also, I've got loads of Easter eggs. I think I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 5, and obviously some chocolate for my birthday. Right, so just put that down. So it stands up. And yes, I will be doing a video when I show you what I have for my birthday. That will be coming out today as well. I'm just doing this now because I felt like it. So basically, my technique of putting the glue on is I'm doing a little swirl. And then kind of goes just into a blob. So that's kind of my technique, because I started like that. Just kind of just hold it so it goes all over the place. So as you can see, the glue's dripping down here, which I am, because you want it all over. Just put that there. If there is any glue like leaking outside, it will dry up. And then it will kind of just become see-through. See, look, like the glue there, that will just become see-through. And then I am going to add a smiley face, which I'm going to do in red, as, yeah. I'm just going to freehand do this. So that's what this is. Ah, stuck to me. And I will do a video of me playing Overwatch as well. I'm not sure if that'll be today or sometime this week. Just gonna stick this at the bottom. Okay, so I've got my glue. Just gonna put some in the corner here. a little blob. There we go. Just gonna cut this little stick in here. That's it there. And now I'm just going to just give it a little nose like that. Hang on, there's a little one here. Right, I'm gonna stick that on so it has a little nose. Or I could give it 2 eyebrows. No, I'm just giving it a nose. Actually, I'm gonna use this brown one because this is smallest. Oh, you. Here we go, our little fella's got a nose now. Look, you can see that the glue starts to dry up on here. There. Because obviously it's a sock and the sock will actually suck it in. We just want to make sure that it doesn't stick to the inside so that you have some space. And I think now I might use a template. So that's the template it came with. And I'm going to use this small one here. This small one. I'm going to cut it with the green. Not that I like the colour green, but just have a look. Sorry you can't see my full face. My camera is quite low down because obviously I want you to see what I'm doing on the table. And mainly because I don't want you to see my messy hair. I haven't done my hair yet. I know you can't really see it, but it's mainly at the back. And if you hear barking or any noises, because I'm in the kitchen, it's probably the sink, and the washing machine, the tumble dryer. Oh yeah, somehow we think I broke my toe at Free Dog. Because I know I caught it under the trampoline, but I didn't think it was bleeding, and now I can't really move it. Right, so that's one. I think I'm just going to keep it green. Well, that could be his massive eyebrow. Might do that. Just going to give him an eyebrow. Monobrow. Right, so this is his monobrow. Stick it like right there. Gotta let that drip down so I'm not wasting glue. Just letting this drip down. Sorry if it's shaking because my hands always shake. Oh god, it's gone on my thumb. See, that's his monobrow. I know it's a bit further up, but who cares? Not like it's a competition or anything. Yes, it is for you guys, but I don't really care. Well, I do care about you guys, but I don't care if it's a competition or not. Sorry if you can't really hear me now because I'm kind of muttering.